Last week after being jailed for beating a homeless man to death in Pretoria in 2001. But for Dupree and Becker, their freedom was fleeting. They were rearrested on Sunday as a 72-hour probe into the jail cell party got underway. In the video, Becker says in Afrikaans, "It's a nice weekend in jail here. We're having a great time. We managed to get a bottle of something."
The fact that evidence about their deviation from policies and flouting of our regulations came after they were released or placed on parole, it is not the issue here. The issue is that crime in terms of our policy and legislation has been committed. And secondly, we brought them in so that we can investigate and also put them to question and ensure that they appear before the CMC.
They will know by tomorrow whether their parole will be revoked or not.
The steps that have been taken are corrective steps to make it a point that we cannot allow that kind of behavior and that kind of conduct. Because everybody understands that had this information been brought to us before they were placed on parole, they would probably not have been placed on parole.
Law experts are questioning the constitutionality of reincarcerating the two.
I'm not so sure whether the Prison Act makes provision for that. If you break your parole conditions, yes, certainly you go back to jail, but if you've violated prison regulations, there should have been a disciplinary hearing at that stage. And what is more, it should have been taken into consideration when they looked at the application for parole, and they didn't do this.
The incident also exposed the extent of corruption at correctional facilities. The department says it will deal harshly with those implicated. Its findings will be made public. Offenses Timo, SABC, Pretoria.